Studying Entry 5 is all about working smarter, not harder. With the right AI tools, you can save time, learn faster, and boost your grades. Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools every student should be using right now. First up is Quizlet AI. It generates flashcards and practice tests, making your revision quicker and way more effective. Next, we have Grammarly. It's like having a writing coach right in your browser, helping you write clearly and avoid mistakes in everything from essays to emails. Then there's Otter.ai. It records and transcribes lectures, so you can focus on listening instead of scrambling to take notes. Fourth on the list is Perplexity AI. Say goodbye to endless Google searches. It provides clear, cited answers, perfect for your research projects. Last but not least, ChatGPT. It can explain tough concepts, summarize articles, and help brainstorm essay ideas. Your ultimate study companion. With these AI tools, you're not just keeping up, you're getting ahead. Which tool do you think will help you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Insight for more on AI and the future of work.